welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I was supposed to do like McDonald's, but they weren't serving lunch yet and I didn't feel like waiting there for fucking 15 minutes while they serve lunch. So I had to go to Walmart to get stationery paper. So I seen that they had a pizza there and I don't even know what's inside because it doesn't show it. And then I picked up the Dorito loaded and I actually deep fried them and they changed colors. I don't like how it's like all dark. I think I kind of burnt it maybe. Have no clue, but I'm gonna try it. Whew. It's hot. Burn my finger. I always been wanting to try these, but I don't know. Tastes like like the original nacho cheese chips with what's it, cheese sauce? And this is how it comes. It's actually really good. I think they say for you to bake it or put it in the oven. I don't know, but I would rather deep fry them because they taste better deep fried. Excuse my hair because it's just a hot mess. I just have Coke, cherry Coke. I feel like my alarm's gonna go off. But this is actually really good. I'm gonna put some tapatio. This is like my favorite sauce. Like, yes. With some of this. I just hate that everywhere I want to go and get food from, they don't open till like 11 or like what, 10:30? Like really? Because I work at 11, so I like to do stuff. Okay, I think I'm opening it wrong. It's like hella burnt. Like what the fuck? You guys don't know how to bake pizza? It's like that. It was $1.50. Super cheap, but for a burnt fucking pizza, this is a really big slice of pizza. It's like meat, the ultimate meat pizza. Okay. It's not bad for being burnt. Not bad. I'm just gonna mess up my lip. I don't care. I'm gonna put hot sauce on it because that's just how I eat my food. If you hate it, don't watch it. It's so good though. I like this. That's probably why they put it in a box like that, because you can't see how fucking burnt it is. This is just a random ass video because I was planning to film, but I was planning something else. Good. It's very, very cheesy though. Look at the way I pour my hot sauce, it looks like a heart. Isn't that cute? I'm so lame. So I think when I'm not cooking, I'm gonna sit here. And then when I am cooking, I'm gonna sit over there because it's like safer not to have the food like right in front of my face while it's like bubbling and you know, oil splashing everywhere. I think it's safer for my face, you guys. I'm sorry, but I've had their pizzas before, but I've never had the all meat one. I've had the combination. I didn't like that. I've had the pepperoni. That one's pretty good. At least this hasn't been sitting out there for that long because I picked it up like at 10. They made it at 9:30, so. I feel like it's gonna go off. I really don't like crust. Really burnt, huh? Somebody forgot to put a timer on. Anyways, my hair looks like a hot mess. I washed it yesterday. I usually don't wash my hair like every day. And because it's blonde, and I guess like when you wash it too much, you're gonna wash all like the oils out, and you really need it because your hair is so dry. I used to hate pizza when I was little. And my boyfriend got me into eating pizza again, like years ago. My favorite kind of pizza is take and bake. But it's like, I usually like, oh my god, I'm getting grease all over my pants. I usually like the white sauce kind of pizza. I don't know why I prefer that, but. This isn't bad, but you can only eat like 3 of them, and then afterwards it's like really cheesy, you know, like it coats your mouth really thick. Am I breathing too hard? I feel like I was rushing home. Oh, this hot sauce is hot. Alright, everything's set up to film. And then I went to McDonald's and I was like, we're not serving lunch for another 15 minutes. Okay. Bye. I'm sorry if I don't do an outro sometimes. I kind of forget after I eat because I'm so full that I just forget and I turn off the camera. So I'm sorry. Don't get mad at me. You know, I mean, sometimes, you know, just... I don't like the crust, but I'll eat it because I paid for it. So don't get mad because I contradict myself sometimes. Is that the word? Anyways, I was gonna sign up for this beauty school. And like, I found out yesterday, like, they fucking just suddenly shut down. Like, I'd be so fucking pissed if I paid for it and they fucking shut down on me. I just want to thank everyone that's so sweet to me on my comments and stuff like that, because you guys totally encourage me to do more videos, and I just love it. You guys put a smile on my face. You guys don't even know. Every time you guys leave me like a sweet comment, I always try to comment back because I totally appreciate each and every one of you guys. Like, you guys make me so happy, you guys don't even know. And for the haters and fucking trolls out there just fucking being just, I don't know, feel miserable for like a second, because that's it. It's only for that second with that nasty comment, and that's it. I move on, because I really don't like negativity. I don't like people that are mean, because there's no need for that, you know what I mean? And I'm not crying. I just don't think that there's a need to be mean to people just because you're on the, excuse me, just because you're on the internet and you don't see them in real life. Because if you see me in real life, girl, you know. But trust me, I don't really reply to like all the evil people out there because I really don't care. For the people that have been so supportive and stuff like that, I love you guys so much. Like, you guys just, yeah, just put a smile on my face. And I love doing these videos. Like, you guys don't even know I love to cook. I remember in high school, I remember we were in, I forgot what class we were, and then we were in a circle and they asked us like what we wanted to be when we grew up. I wanted to be a I said a cook. I didn't say a chef. I don't know why. I get nervous when I have to speak in front of like a group or like just people in general that I don't are around a lot. So I was like a cook, and someone's like a hooker, and I'm like, no, like a chef. Oh my god, I still remember that comment. I still remember the girl that said it too. I still remember her fucking name. Anyways, I think her name was like Virginia or something like that. But oh my god, it was just so horrible. I just picked at the crust because it was so burnt, so excuse that. And these, they're good, but like I said, you can only eat like 2 or 3 of them, and they're so effing cheesy on the inside. So if you really love cheese or like nacho cheese, you probably like these. But me, I do like cheese, but not as cheesy, so I can only eat like a couple of these and I'm done for. So that is it for my video today. I hope you guys really enjoy. I was really babbling today just because I was really mad because I really had my heart set on a fucking Big Mac. But since it was just not my day, you know, it is what it is. So maybe I'll try again another day. But I do want to film a Valentine's Day one for you guys, just so you guys have someone, excuse me, someone to eat with. And I'll try to get that up before Valentine's Day so we can eat together, for all of you guys that are single and just want to enjoy a Valentine's Day meal with somebody. Hopefully I don't just say that, and hopefully I do actually get a video up for you guys, because I love you guys so much and I appreciate each and every, the fuck? Anyways, I appreciate each and every one of you guys, so thank you for watching my channel. I know it's like so random, like beauty and eating videos, and I do want to do some more cooking. But anyways, stop with the rambling. I love you guys and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a subscribe button here or there. I don't know where. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys later. Bye.